Hi there. Welcome to Hersco Online. Today we're going to take a video tour of the Hersco facility. We're located on Crescent Street in Queens, and all day long we receive boxes from UPS, Federal Express and the mail service. All the wonderful casts that our customers send in. The first thing we do when we receive any work is we date stamp it with the exit date so that all of the work is kept in sequence and we turn it around as fast as possible. Here we see work being processed, and that will be brought into the office. So we immediately get that work to our computer workstations. We write up a job ticket. Every job gets a number and the date is added to the box so that the shop floor knows exactly which work to do in sequence. Once we have the job processed, we then image it by scanning it into our computer. That way we have a full archive of all the work that gets sent in, and we keep that record indefinitely. Here we see plaster being poured into the negative impression foam so that we have plaster positives to work on. And here is plaster being added to an AFO cast. Once we have the plaster positive stripped and cleaned, we begin to balance it, and we add intrinsic posting based on your specifications. Thermoplastic is then heated and vacuum formed over the corrected plaster positives. If we're not going to use a plaster positive, we use the more modern method of direct CAD/CAM milling. So the shape still gets posted intrinsically, it's done digitally, and then these are laid out on plates which are sent to the carvers. This is a carver working on accommodative foot molds, and here we see some polypropylene being direct milled to make some sports or dress functional orthotics. No matter how the shell is manufactured, it's then sent to the sanding machine where we take down the walls, clean up the edges and thin out the front. Once it's been balanced, it gets sent to the pre-finished table where bottom covers are applied. Certain pads and accommodations will be requested on prescription forms. Here we see a spur heel U-pad being put into a pair of graphite orthotics. Very often specific pads or depressions will be required, so these are hand ground. And finally, the orthotic gets edged and finished. We keep a very linear flow on the shop floor, and that's all the staff saying thank you and goodbye. Thank you for joining Hersco Online.